News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I'm Ramya and with me is Abhishek.
Today we will be discussing about some vacancies in Indian Oil, Defence Research and Development Laboratory, New Delhi Municipal Council, Office of Development Commissioner, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India Limited, All India Institute of Medical Sciences Raipur and National Sanskrit University Tirupati. Let's begin by discussing about Indian Oil and the apprenticeship opportunities it has to offer.
Indian Oil is India's flagship Maharatna National Oil Company with business interests straddling the entire hydrocarbon value chain from refining, pipeline, transportation and marketing to exploration and production of crude oil and gas, petrochemicals, gas marketing, alternative energy sources and globalization of downstream operations. It also has global aspirations fulfilled to an extent by the formation of subsidiaries in Sri Lanka, Mauritius, the UAE, Sweden, USA and the Netherlands. It is pursuing diverse business interests with the setting up of over 15 joint ventures with reputed business partners from India and abroad to explore global opportunities.
Indian Oil Marketing Division, as a measure of skill building initiative for the nation, invites application for engagement of 370 technical and 66 non-technical apprentices for the financial year 2020-21 under multiple trades at its location in various states and union territories of northern India. The advertisement, including details of positions in different states, stipend, relaxations, concessions, reservations, etc., is available on the corporate website www.iocl.com. Interested candidates meeting the prescribed eligibility criteria may apply through the aforesaid website. Closing date of receipt of online application is 19th of December 2020. Any subsequent notification or amendment in the matter shall be notified on www.iocl.com only.
Defence Research and Development Laboratory DRDL Hyderabad is one of the premier research laboratories of Defence Research and Development Organisation DRDO engaged in research and development of missile systems for Indian Armed Forces. DRDL invites applications from young and meritorious Indian nationals who desire to pursue defence-related research as junior research fellows. Following other vacancies: 3 tentative posts of Junior Research Fellow in the discipline of Mechanical Engineering and 4 tentative posts of Junior Research Fellow in the discipline of Aeronautical or Aerospace Engineering. Initially, the offer is for a period of 2 years, which may be extendable up to further 2 years subject to internal screening committee recommendations. Eligible candidates may send their duly completed applications as per the given format, which can be downloaded from www.drdo.gov.in. The last date for receipt of applications at DRDL is 21 days from the date of publication in Employment News or before 31st of December 2020 as per DRDO website notification. Applications received after due date for whatsoever reasons shall not be entertained. Incomplete applications are liable to be rejected. For details, contact DRDL at 040-2458-3150 or 040-2458-3151 between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. on all working days, that is Monday to Friday.
Applications are invited on deputation basis in New Delhi Municipal Council for one post of Joint Director Vigilance. The format of application and the details regarding age, qualification, experience and other conditions of eligibility, etc. for the posts are available on the website www.ndmc.gov.in. The last date of submission of application is 1st of January 2021.
Office of Development Commissioner, MSME, New Delhi, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises requires CEOs for autonomous bodies. The details are as follows. Principal Director, Institute for Design of Electrical Measuring Instruments, Mumbai. General Manager, Indo-German Tool Room, Aurangabad. General Manager, Indo-German Tool Room, Indore. And Principal Director, Process and Product Development Center, Agra. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, MSME, Government of India has established various autonomous bodies, MSME technology centers across the nation, and these centers primarily support industry, particularly MSMEs, by providing technical technical assistance and business advisory support. The CEOs shall be responsible for day-to-day management and affairs of the technology centers and shall exercise powers under the direction, superintendence and control of the chairman of the governing council. It shall be the duty of CEO to coordinate and exercise general supervision over all activities of the autonomous body. Applications are invited from the citizens of India for the above posts, proposed to be filled up on contract basis for a period of 5 years, initially with further extension, based on review of performance till the age superannuation. Applications as per the proforma given in the detailed advertisement on website www.dcmsme.gov.in and respective website of the concerned autonomous bodies, which is www.idemi.org, www.igtr-aur.org, www.igtr-indore.com and www.ppdcagra.in should reach by speed post or registered post to the concerned authority by 4th of January 2021. Advance scan copy may be sent on email ID palj@dcmsme.gov.in. Separate applications should be sent for separate locations in the prescribed manner. Candidates serving in central or state government or any government undertaking or autonomous organizations are required to send their application through proper channel. However, they may send an advance copy to Office of Development Commissioner MSME and produce NOC at the time of interview.
National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India Limited (NAFED) was established on the auspicious day of Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October 1958. NAFED is registered under the Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act. It was set up with the object to promote cooperative marketing of agriculture produce to benefit the farmers. The agriculture farmers are the main members of NAFED, who have the authority to say in the form of members of the general body in the working of NAFED. National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India Limited invites application from experienced, dynamic and highly successful professionals in the fields of microbiology, virology, bacteriology, immunology, animal biotechnology or related discipline for the following posts: 1 post of Chief Consultant and 4 posts of Technical Consultant. Vacancy is purely on contract basis, initially for a period of 6 months, which may be extended on need and satisfactory work. Closing date of submission is 15 days from the date of publication. For detailed eligibility criteria, educational qualification, remuneration, age, etc., please visit the website www.nafed-india.com.
Applications are invited in the prescribed proforma from suitable candidates working on regular basis in government office, institution or organization for filling up the following posts on deputation basis in All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Raipur: 1 post of Medical Superintendent, 1 post of Superintendent Engineer, 1 post of Senior Procurement cum Stores Officer, 1 post of Hospital Architect, 1 post of Executive Engineer Electrical, 1 post of Executive Engineer Civil, 1 post of Executive Engineer AC&R, 1 post of Stores Officer, 1 post of Senior Sanitation Officer and 3 posts of Sanitation Officer. Essential qualification, experience, etc. required for applying for this post and detailed terms and conditions are available on the website www.aimsraipur.edu.in. The last date of receipt of applications is 21st December 2020. All the notifications, amendments, corrigendum, etc. related to this advertisement, if any, will be published only on the website. For updates, please visit the website regularly.
Applications are invited from eligible candidates for filling up 1 post of Assistant Registrar, Finance and Accounts on deputation basis for a period of 1 year in National Sanskrit University, Tirupati. The eligible and interested persons may apply in the format available at the university website www.nsktu.ac.in and forward the application with requisite documents so as to reach the concerned person on or before 14th of December 2020 by 5:30 p.m. Information about these vacancies have been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday.
With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News, This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.